Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm just going to be doing a simple tutorial. It's very different from my previous video, which was a travel vlog, but since I'm not traveling and due to the situations we're in today, I'm just going to make it a simple wire bracelet, and I'm going to show you how I made it. So I'm just going to be telling you the tools that I'm using for this video. I got everything from Amazon, so I'll try and put the link to the supplies down in this description box, but if you can't, you just search the names of the tools and you can find them. So I'm using the flat nose pliers, a round nose pliers, which is that right there that I'm holding, and flush cutter. That's what I need. I use the Sharpie marker just to mark off the width of the wire when I'm wrapping the wire. I just want to know, want to keep the width consistent, so I just use that. If you don't want to, you don't have to. When you're buying the wires, you need to be really careful which wire you buy, because some of the the sellers sell like soft wires, and you want something that's not too soft, or else the bracelets wouldn't hold up and it would just come loose. And the first wire that I used in this video, the wires were very soft. Those are craft wires. Make sure you don't get craft wires. Get like copper wires or something, or I don't know. Or get some hard wire. And here, the first thing I did was use the flush cutter. You have to use the flat side of the flush cutter to cut the wire so that it could be even. And then I'm using the round nose pliers, and as you can see, I marked where I want to cut it. And then it's very hard to see because when I was shooting this, I didn't place the camera properly, but I'll show you again later on in the video. I'm going to be doing that again, but first I wanted to try and measure like more than half an inch of my fingers to cut the wire off, because you don't want to cut it too short, because then you won't be able to close it off properly, or it will be too small and it won't look right. So I struggled a lot with this one. If this is your first time, then you would probably struggle, but if it's just for yourself, it shouldn't be that important. What I did here was, when I was connecting the two wires together, I opened it sideways, side to side, instead of up and down, so I don't bend the wire. Yeah, I'm going to show you how I wrap the wires, because I didn't show it to you properly last time. So I'm twisting it away from me until I can't twist it anymore, all the way to the end, until like the tip of it is touching the other side, if that explanation is good enough. And then I'm going to touch it at the end with the end of the pliers and push it like I just did there. I think it's self-explanatory. Just keep doing this over and over again and you get it. It's really simple. If you like to give a positive criticism, or you want to ask any questions about the video, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.